Hello and welcome to our new YouTube series. I'm a detailer, get me out of here. We're going to tackle some of the most filthiest, dirtiest detailing jobs you've ever seen. My name's Sam and this is Jake. Let's go and take a look at what we're doing today.
Starting with the inside, it is an absolute mess. As you can see, we've got clothing, we've got bottles, hair. I've got no words.
Moving on to the boot, just like Jake, I am lost for words. We've got dog sticks, bottles, dog toys, leads. No idea what that even is. They say dog's a man's best friend. He certainly won't be my best friend by the end of today.
You should not be able to see your reflection in your steering wheel.
Oh, what the f? Oh, f.
Looking at the exterior, it's not actually that bad. Nothing that a good, thorough, deep clean won't sort. Ugh. We're going to start off by giving these wheels a really deep clean. Starting with a pre-wash, then we're going to move on to wheel cleaner, tire cleaner, and lastly fallout remover. So that's all the wheels taken care of. Next, Jake has pressure rinsed the car. He's now applying a pre-wash solution to all areas of the car, and then we're going to move on to the snow foam stage.
Right, now we're going to attack the engine bay. Firstly, we're going to check there's nothing electrical exposed. Give it a quick rinse, apply nitty-gritty pre-wash, brushes, attack it with them, rinse it off, and then apply a dressing afterwards.
Next up, it's of course the 2 bucket wash method using our favourite product, Bahama Blue shampoo. So that's the outside of the car cleaned. We can't spend too much time on the car because the real challenge lies inside the car, but we are going to add some protection to the vehicle with Flex polymer sealant. Right, okay, so now the bit that we're not looking forward to. Bin bags at the ready, I'm going to tackle the rubbish and Jake's going to tackle the clothes. Anyone for a brew? is a Mercedes complete by me and Jake. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and if you want to see more I'm a detailer get me out of here videos, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell.